Choice to me means access to safe and legal abortion. I think it's very important that the post-Roe generation cares about this issue very deeply. Although I didn't grow up in a time where abortion was illegal, my mom did, and she was victim of that. And so I'm standing up today for women like her and for the women who are at risk for losing the right to have a legal abortion. So I'm here today to be standing up for legal abortion.
I'm here for my mom, my sister, and some of my daughters. Choice to me just means letting women control their own destiny, and that reproductive health care is a fundamental human right.
What does choice mean to you?
To me, choice means an ability to choose your path in life, and an ability to do what you want with your body, whether that's a choice to have a child or otherwise. And to me, the pro-choice movement really represents reproductive justice for women, not just in the United States, but all around the world.
Abortion is a basic, fundamental human right. Women's rights are human rights. I believe and now believe that it is very important to stand strong for women's health, for women's lives. We know that without safe, legal, and accessible abortions, women die. We have seen in the past year horrific events with the brutal murder of Dr. Tiller, a heinous act of domestic terrorism. We have also seen how a Democratic majority who said they were pro-choice went on to suggest restrictions on abortion that are greater than any proposed during my own lifetime. Abortion rights are under severe attack, and we stand here strongly and proudly for our basic human rights.
For me, choice has been very important in my life. I am now a professional person, but at 17 I was a dumb kid. And I got pregnant, and I had an abortion thanks to Planned Parenthood. And I was very happy that I was able to make that choice, because it allowed me to make something of myself and my life. And so I support women's right to choose. And I also feel very strongly that sometimes women choose to have a baby, and I have done that as well. Later in life when I was ready, and I love my son, and that was a choice too.
You know, everybody is pro-choice. The problem is, or the issue is, that some people want the choice to be made by somebody else's church or somebody else other than the woman who is being impacted. And we have traced so much poverty to unwanted pregnancies or unplanned pregnancies that if for no other reason, we should be trying to take the burden off people and allow them to act on their own beliefs rather than on the beliefs of a church who comes in here and tries to tell us what to think.
Choice gives a woman control over her future. Without it, without education, without access to birth control, her future is decided by other people, and that's not right.
What choice means to me is a woman's ability to make her life be what she plans, make her life happen the way she wants, not have it be something that happens to her. Motherhood is a beautiful thing for women who want it, and all women should have the choice.
Well, number one, in the choice movement, a lot of times you don't see a lot of women of color represented, so that's why it's very important to me. I actually have a daughter, I have a 5-month-old, but you know, anything could have happened to my health. You hear a number of women where their health may be in danger because of trying to have a baby, or maybe because of incest or rape. If they want that option, then they should have it. That's between the woman, her family, if she wishes to share it with them, or her doctor. The main point is to have choice. Choice is
come out here because I think